Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to my kitchen. I have something I'm going to try today I've never tried before. It's the attachment for grinding that goes on the KitchenAid. I washed it and I have it screwed on here, and I have my tiny little tray. Okay, I have big meat grinders outside, but I wanted one that would be fast and easy for in here, so I got this one. And guys, this is tiny. I mean, literally my hand fits inside this tray, so we'll see. Folks, the thing about being short is this. I'm standing straight, guys. I'm standing straight, okay? I am going to have to stand on a step stool to use this thing. I've already gotten laughed at multiple times by my family members. So, you guys may as well just get it out of your system and laugh at me too. Okay? So, anyways, I've got it plugged up. I've got this washed and attached. I've got a roast that was in the freezer. I have it sliced up into little bitty pieces because the tube on here, cameraman, if you can get this, is very small. So I have my meat cut where it will fit through there. Okay, according to the instructions, it says to put it on speed number 4. So I have a step stool here, guys, so I can see what I'm doing. You guys felt something break my leg. Okay, so I'm over top of this. I have my plunger. I'm turning it to 4. Okay, it's on 4. One major malfunction. Let's turn this around so when it starts to come out, I've got something there to catch the meats. Okay. It fits perfectly on top of my coffee pot, guys. Okay, my first time ever using this. So, let's see how it's going to work. Hey, it's grinding. Looks like I got the pieces cut small enough. Guys, I'm definitely going to give this a 5-star rating here. You can do ground beef, this is beef. You can use turkey, you can use chicken, you can use venison, you can use chunks of rabbit, any kind of meat that you want to grind up, or even a mixture. This is definitely easier than going outside and bringing my big one in for just a small amount. Let's give it time for all the rest of that to come through. Can't do anything else with it, but it's still spitting it out there. But folks, that's a nice looking larger grind on that. There is another small little plate that goes on there, and what you would do with that, if you would like, would be take this off, put the smaller plate on it, and regrind this again. That way you have a smaller grind. But myself, I don't mind this one at all. But I am super impressed with this. So there you go. Thanks for coming along while I tried this out. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.